Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn that how you can create a grid view screen. So in some cases you might want to display your items as a grid rather than a normal list of items that come one after the next, just like your gallery. Okay, so the simplest way to get started using grid is by using the GridView.count constructor because it allows you to specify how many rows or columns you would like. So to visualize how GridView works, generate a list. We are going to generate a list of 100 widgets that display their index in the list. So create a new file named gridview.widget under your basic widgets folder. Here I have named my class my GridView screen. Here we are having a scaffold and an app bar, and inside its body we are having a gridview.count constructor. Now it is having this cross-axis count equals to 2. So what does this parameter means? It means that to create a grid with 2 columns, if you change the scroll direction to the horizontal, this will produce 2 rows. Okay. And here we have passed the children attribute and it will take list.generate 100. So this will generate 100 widgets that display their index in the list. I don't think there is need for me to explain this lines as well. So when you will hot reload it, so you can have a grid view of 100 items. Okay, so now if we change the cross-axis count to let's say 3, let's see how the UI will look like. So now you can see now we are having a grid view of 3 columns. Now if we want to change the scroll axis directions, okay, so we'll make it to axis.horizontal. And now our grid view will move in horizontal direction, as you can see over here. So that's all for this video. Simply you can try gridview.builder, which is exactly similar like listview.builder. Only difference will be there that it will be having few different attributes, just like this cross axis count for declaring the number of variables you want for your columns and others. So that's all for this video. In our next video, we'll get started with the animation concepts of Flutter application. So I hope you might have found this tutorials very much informative. So please guys, do put your thoughts in the comment box, and because it will help me to improvise myself and to create more informative content for you. So till then, keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video.